Confirming your coverage before moving protects you from unexpected loss or damage during transit. Start by reading your homeowners or renter's policy for sections that mention personal property during transit and any limitations on distance, carrier type, or packaging requirements. Check whether your policy offers full value coverage, which pays the actual cash value plus depreciation, or released value coverage, which limits the mover liability and usually pays a fixed amount per pound per article. And note that released value often leaves significant gaps. If your policy lacks adequate transit protection, get a separate third-party transit insurance policy that covers replacement cost and specifies covered perils during loading, transit, and unloading. Create a detailed inventory of high-value items with clear photos, serial numbers, purchase dates, and receipts to speed claims and prove condition prior to the move. When hiring professional movers, ask for a written estimate that lists the coverage options and limits, sign the bill of lading only after confirming the chosen protection, and keep copies of all documents and payment records. For do-it-yourself moves, consider renting padded moving crates or using professional crating for fragile items, and buy supplemental transit insurance from the rental company or an independent insurer if your personal policy does not apply. A common mistake is assuming homeowners or renters insurance automatically covers everything while in transit, which often results in denied claims. Solve this by verifying transit clauses and limits in writing before the move. Another issue is accepting the mover company default released value protection without calculating potential out-of-pocket replacement costs. Solve this by comparing released value payouts to actual replacement estimates and upgrading to full value or buying third-party transit insurance when gaps exist. People also skip documenting item condition, which slows claims and reduces recovery. Solve this by photographing each high-value item from multiple angles, keeping original receipts, and storing those files in the cloud so they are accessible if items are lost. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners connect with local contractors and discuss moving and insurance topics in our community forums. We also help contractors find work and share best practices through our discussion community so everyone can learn from real experiences.